Hello and good morning everyone. So today is the first trading session of this week. So let's get started with today's top stocks and news. The first one is NTPC, where the company's net profit is up by 23% at 5,778 crores. Revenue is up by 6%, EBITDA is down by 6% and margins are reported at 25.6% versus 28.9% on quarter-on-quarter basis. The next stock which you need to look at is JSW Steel, where the company's net profit is up by 13.5% at 1,501 crores. Revenue is down by 3%, EBITDA is up by 4%, margins are reported at 14.2% versus 13.24% on yearly basis. The next stock is JK Cement, where the company's net profit is up by 77%. Revenue is up by 13.7% at 3,343 crores. EBITDA is up by 34.5% and margins are reported at 22% versus 18.63% on yearly basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Ashoka Buildcon, where the company's net profit is up by 73%, revenue is down by 12%, EBITDA is up by 22.3% and margins are reported at 29% versus 21% on yearly basis. The next stock is GNFC, where the company's net profit is up by 65.4% at 210 crores, revenue is down by 2.6%, EBITDA is up by 65% and margins are reported at 11.7% versus 6.9% on yearly basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Paytm, because Supreme Court says a 5,712 crore GST show cause notice proceeding against company's gaming arm, the first game. The next stock which you need to look at is Zydus Lifesciences, because company gets the final approval from the USFDA for its tablet isotretinoin to treat the severe and the disfiguring the nodal acne. The next stock is Sun Pharmaceutical, because company acquired 22.7% stake in US-based Pharmas Inc. for approximately $25 million. The next stock is Biocon, because Biocon Biologics receives MHRA UK approval for Ozempic, which is a biosimilar. The next stock which you need to look at is Bharti Airtel, because Supreme Court dismissed plea filed by Arm Bharti Telemedia, estimated exposure at approximately 585 crores, fully provisioned in books, and company has already paid 575 crores. The next stock which you need to look at is Reddy, because company ignites the whiskey world with an explosive launch of the Morpheus Supreme Premium Whiskey, a spirit for the daring. The next stock is L&T Food Limited, because company have acquired remaining 49% stake share of the Golden Star Trading Inc. based in the California, USA. So these were some of the stock which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.